races, everybody! Hey, welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally throwing something on the grill, then this is the place for you.
I'm here for the adventure.
I have no idea how many Jeeps they got, but a lot. A lot.
Look at all of these little rugrats. Hi! Hey! Short amount of time.
This is it.
Registration's closing. It means the driver's meeting's about to start. We found this imposter Jeep as we were walking through. As you can see, I tried to hide by using the no door technique.
You look like you need an elephant ear.
Yeah, I kinda do.
I think the Jeep one of these is pretty respectable.
You know, I think a real Jeep would have done better.
I think a real Jeep would have done better.
Pack your suitcase and grab your sunglasses. We're going on a trip and you're coming with. Got a road trip must, some Twizzlers. When was the last time you were stuck on an elevator?
Stop. It is 9:35. Is it too early to get ice cream?
Show them the gas gauge there. We're like on Super E. This is how we get ourselves into long trips. We both have a bad habit of getting off the highway and trying to get on some back roads. Well, just amazing the view here. Not sure how that's going to affect us getting to Moab today, but it definitely will. The road we're currently on, it's a little bit rough, but hey, this is the Jeep life. 1,300 miles, countless gas stops. What did we go through? 5 states, and here we are, downtown Moab. Okay, so we made it to Landscape Arch. There it is. It's beautiful. So what's this one called?
Sand dune arch.
We made it to the Grand Canyon. What do you think, babe?
Cool.
Have you noticed a lot of these conversations have been at gas stations?
So, we're just here looking at a big hole in the ground.
Side note to future self though, if you decide to camp out at a bluegrass festival, plan on staying up really late. They were playing till like 3 a.m.
Show me some garage videos.
Today on 41 Garage, we're going to see if we can get the gas gauge working on a CJ. I know. I don't think it's possible either. Uh-oh. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just kind of get it up there in place where it needs to be. This is when it comes handy to be tall. So I put the top on, You can get an idea what it's gonna look like.
We're gonna give away this official 41 Garage and Grill mug.
Can I just say something about this? By the way, there is only 4 of these in existence, so that makes the value worth at least $1.50 at a garage sale. So don't sell it too cheap if you win. So I would say it's time to replace. What's in the mystery box, Pam?
Bump stops and rear track bar bracket axle slide. I don't think this is working right. Woo! It worked. We're gonna take the pink Jeep out today. What are you waiting for? Come on!
And so what's going on here with all these?
Look at that.
She's been duckified. Okay, let her rip, Tater Chip.
And then just gun it?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Hit
Oh,
it,
there's a
hit it,
duck
Goober.
down there. It really wasn't bad. Yours? Yes. I'm excited.
So we made a stop at Ritter's and we found another pink Jeep.
I've got to check this out.
Pamela wants to look at these rims.
I like those.
Meeting people, and I met Mike and I met William. So Cindy, so Greg's nice enough to talk to me. I came across Nofel's Jeep. His name's Richard. Tank here belongs to James. And I met Sean.
Hey.
So Brandy, the wonderful Kay and Anna Schlieder. Yay! All right, so I met Marion here.
We
And
got our friend Nick here.
okay, so I'm with Steve and Dave. Met these guys, Andy, and I'm sorry, I didn't
Ed.
Ed? I ran into Andrew.
And this is George.
I'm George. How y'all doing?
Having some dinner. Okay, so there it is, all done. You like it?
Good.
Are you glad you're assistant now? Okay, let's check them out. I'm thinking they're looking done. Part of the Jeep life is a lot of dogs around here. Take a picture, that's all. Hi, baby.
Gunner.
Gunner. Yes.
Hi, Gunner.
Hey, come here. Hi.
Yeah, they consider this charcoal.
And some people talk about their road dogs. Well, this guy literally has a road dog, so.
As a kid, he hung out with the guy I hung out with.
Turn this.
Are we live?
We are recording.
We're recording?
Yeah.
Is this going the bloopers reel?
If we bloop it.
If we bloop it? Okay.
Okay.
Are we starting?
Yep, it's recording. It's all on you, bro.
Alright, you're gonna have to give me a second.
Why are you not focusing, kids?
We're ready?
Action.
I don't know why that always makes me laugh.
Part of my problem is I can't see without my glasses. I don't know where they are.
Okay, Velma.
And boom, we got some numbers. So, what am I trying to say? You like that one? The pink
Going topless.
line. No, just hey. Today on 41 Garage, we're going to.
Wait, do I have Oreo in my teeth? Because I ate a peanut butter Oreo.
Yeah, you do.
Do I really?
Yeah. She doesn't, but I just told her.
Hello. Is that going to be a cut? A blooper?
Talk to the editing department on that one.
Do I have anything in my teeth?
Put it up by the camera.
I can't see.
Whoa, she's. Hit like, hit subscribe. Subscribe. Give me a like, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. Yo, hit the like, subscribe. Please give me a like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe to the channel. You definitely need to hit the subscribe button. I pity the fool that does not subscribe. Boom, 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 boom.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch 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 all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I